the fingerprint is one of the most effective ways of securing your device from unauthorized access. But do you know that the fingerprint also can give you a false sense of security, especially when you do not pay attention to the requests made of you from your relative or close friends? Do you know that it is possible for one to enroll more than one person's fingerprint on your fingerprint reader on your smartphone? Of course, I'm sure you already know how to enroll fingerprint. That is by going to settings, clicking on security, tapping on fingerprint. The only thing that prevents an unauthorized user from enrolling their fingerprint on your smartphone is the PIN, because usually when you click on fingerprint, that is, you go to the interface where you can actually enroll a new fingerprint on your device, it will request that you provide your screen lock code or your PIN or password, depending on how you are protecting your device. Now, if a friend or a relative just comes around and goes to this place and gives it to you, say, oh, please help me unlock your device, I want to look at pictures. If you are not cautious or if you are not aware, you might enter your screen unlock code and allow the person access. And by doing that, automatically the person can gain access to enroll their own fingerprint on your smartphone, which makes it possible for them to gain access to your device at any time or at any given time that they deem necessary. And of course, if an unauthorized person gains access to your smartphone at a time that you do not want them to have access to, you know that things can actually go wrong. Lots of things for that matter. By the way, the same way one can enroll an unauthorized fingerprint on your device, one can also enroll an unauthorized face on your device. Maybe from time to time, the same way you do change your PIN or your password on your device from time to time, I will also advise that you clear the fingerprints on your phone and the authorized faces on your phone and re-enroll them to be sure that you do not have more than what was required on your smartphone. For example, most of the banking apps allow you to unlock or confirm transfers using your fingerprint. So anybody that is able to trick you into enrolling their own fingerprint on your device can make transfers on your smartphone or using your banking apps. And of course, I'm sure you do not want that. Even though you have already set up your PIN or password, if anybody borrows your phone and requests that you unlock the screen on your phone, you have to be cautious enough to look at what the person is doing on your phone to start with before you unlock. Or even after you unlock, at least be conscious enough to look at what the person is doing on your phone before you hand it back to the person. Because if a person successfully enrolls their fingerprint on your device, which you know it is possible, at that point you have compromised completely the security of your device. Now, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.